Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this spinning shake transition for your edits in CapCut. So just add 2 clips like this or more, and after that click on the transition box in between the clips, and here click on the camera category and then add the shake transition. Okay, this one, and adjust it for 1 second. Click on the check icon, and now in the first video add 2 keyframes at the end, so 1 to where the transition begin, okay, in here. So add 1 keyframe in here and zoom in the clip, and then move the clip to the upper left corner like this. And now on the second one, move backward a bit, just a little. In here add another keyframe and then drag the video to the bottom right corner to the original position. Okay, now go to grabs in between the clip and select the ease in 3 grab. Click on the check icon and you are done. So the spinning shake transition will go like this. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.